Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be cooking egg, sausage, ham, and cheese with celery. That's right, you heard me. Celery and tomatoes, garnished with green onions. So let's get started. We just cut up these green onions. Yep, they make it taste good though. Looks pretty too. But the celery is going to add crunch. And that's what I was after today. See if we can add a little crunch to it. And I think we can do that with the celery. Now it's chopped pretty fine, the celery, so I might as well use up what I have here, the green onions. Okay. I just put them in a bowl. I don't know where that one went. Now we just slice up the rest of this tomato. Probably not going to use it all, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, since it's only an 8-inch skillet, I think I'm going to use 2 slices of tomato, but I think I'm going to cut them in half. No, I think I'm going to quarter them. Just like that. There you go. And then now we're going to take a piece of ham and a piece of cheese, and we're going to make one of these little roll-ups like a snack. Only we're going to be doing something different with it. We're just cutting it up like little wheels. Just like that. Yep, and now we just put them over here. Now we're just going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl here. And we're going to beat them up. Now we're going to add our celery to that. Our chopped celery. Beat it up. Now what we have to do is add all this good stuff here to our 8-inch cast iron skillet. It kind of looks small from here, and hopefully we can get all this cooked up really nice and tasty. Set our burner to medium low. Put some oil in the pan. Spread that around a little bit. Yeah, we got a lot to add to the pan here, so I think we'll get started. Put them around there, our tomatoes. And probably won't use them all though, huh? We can always add them to the top. And we're going to put some ham in there. And cheese. Just like that, and we'll see how it turns out. Not too bad. And then we can add our sausages to the middle. That ought to be pretty good. You know, we can also put one under the tomato. What do you think? That sounds good to me. And we're not going to waste this ham, so I'm going to put one right in the middle under the sausage. Alright, well, we got two, so we'll put them there. And we might add these at the top, and we'll see. Now all we have to do is add our egg. Yeah, just like that. That's good. Spread that around a little bit. That's a high spot right there. That's alright. Now all we have to do is cover it with a lid, and we'll just leave it cook. Well, it's cooked for about 3 minutes now, so I think it's time to add our crust at the bottom, which is a tortilla, and small 8-inch one, and we'll let that cook a while. Well, it's about time to flip it, so I'm gonna put this handle on here so I don't get burned. Pretty hot. And we're gonna have to try to flip it. So I think we'd be better off just flipping it with the lid. So let's just give it a try. Oh yeah, oh, that's pretty good. Didn't even stick. Now we gotta skid that off there. Okay, we'll fix that up. Give it a little shake. Slide him down in there a little bit. Okay, not bad. Not too bad. Now we just add some cheese. Everybody likes cheese, I think. Good though. Looks nice. Bet you it's gonna be tasty. Okay. Now we just add the green onions. Just like that. Make it look pretty. And they taste good. Now all we have to do is cover it and let the cheese melt. Now we'll have to see if we can get that out of there. So let's plate it up. It'll be a little tricky, but we'll get her. And there you go. Pan looks pretty good too. Boy, that looks good. I bet you that's tasty. Now all we have to do is add a little salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put just a little bit of garlic on there. And now all we have to do is see if we can cut it. So let's go for it. Yep, looks good. And there you go. Yeah, since it's got celery in it, I'm thinking maybe we'll put some celery leaves next to it. Make it look nice. Yeah, now let's take a closer look. See how that looks there. Boy, that looks really good there. And there you have it. Egg, sausage, ham, and cheese with celery and tomatoes. You can't beat that. That looks tasty. Yeah, I just have to have a taste. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is another good one. That ham in there, I can taste the ham. That's what I'm talking about right there. You can't beat that right there. You're going to love that one too. Yeah, in case you were wondering how the crust is, I'll have to show you. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go. Now I'll probably eat the whole thing while I'm cleaning up the kitchen. That's normal.